5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 400. 6 left plus opens. 6 left plus, tightens long 5 plus, past junction, 180. Long 6 right plus, 60. 7 left minus, tightens long 6 minus, 80. Long 6 right, 30. And long 7 left minus, 50. Long 5 right, 60. Long 6 left minus, into 5 right opens, 80. Small crest, 80. Long 7 left minus, 120. 6 right over small crest, 250. Short 6 left minus, into 4 right in junction, opens, 120. 6 left plus, tightens very long 5 plus, 80. 6 right plus, 100. Small crest, long 6 right plus, 30. Long 5 right, into 5 left. Long 5 right plus, 30. Long 5 left plus, 100. Ahead, long 6 right over small crest, 200. Long 6 left plus, 550. To 4 left in junction. Repeat, 4 left in junction, 180. 6 left plus over small crest, 30 to long 5 left plus, 50. 6 right plus tightens 5. 6 left plus and long 6 right, 150. Long 6 right, 50. 6 left plus, 60. 7 left, 30. 6 right plus, 80. Long 7 left, 50 to long 5 right, 450. Small crest, sudden dip at the shed, then 500 to 6 left opens. Repeat, 6 left opens, 100. 4 left in junction. Long 5 right minus. 6 left plus, and 6 left plus, tightens 5 plus, and opens, 80, long small crest 250, long 7 left, 80, long 5 right plus opens, 60, 6 left plus onto bumpy bridge, 150, long 6 left minus, 300, 6 left minus, tightens 5 minus, into 5 right minus, tightens long 4. Repeat, tightens 5 minus, into 5 right minus, tightens long 4. 30. 4 left plus, 30. Long 6 left minus, 50. 5 right plus, tightens 4, 100. Long small crest, 100. Long 5 left minus, 60. 7 left minus, 50. 7 right, 200. Long small crest, 6 right tightens 5 and opens long, 120. long 4 left plus opens, 80. 5 right opens, 30. Small crest, 8 left tightens, 7, 120. 7 left over small crest, 120. 6 right, finish 250. Nice.
That was better.
I think that was a lot better than the first run.